Welcome to The Business Champion, where we're about to embark on a journey through the incredible wealth-building secrets of one of history's financial titans, John D. Rockefeller. These untold gems have the power to transform your financial journey, taking you from financial uncertainty to prosperity. So, let's dive in and unveil the secrets that propelled Rockefeller to legendary status. Secret 1. Contrarian thinking, spotting market bubbles. Imagine the bustling stock market of 1929, where optimism reigned supreme. But amidst the crowd's exuberance, one man stood apart, John D. Rockefeller. Rather than relying on the insights of Wall Street elites, Rockefeller gained a crucial revelation from an unexpected source, a shoeshine boy. This moment marked the genesis of his contrarian thinking. Rockefeller, the original contrarian thinker, knew when to act against the crowd's sentiment. He astutely sold his stocks just before the infamous market crash. His actions weren't guided by herd mentality, but by trusting his instincts. This invaluable lesson teaches us to question conventional wisdom, embrace unconventional perspectives, and remain open to insights from unlikely sources. In essence, Rockefeller's contrarian thinking was a beacon of wisdom, reminding us that financial success often depends on our ability to swim against the tide. Trust your gut, be vigilant, and remember that sometimes the most profound wisdom comes from the least expected places. Secret 2. Emotional control, the Rockefeller way. John D. Rockefeller's ability to maintain emotional control amidst financial turbulence was nothing short of remarkable. In an era when his kerosene empire faced a threat from the emergence of electric light, Rockefeller's response was nothing less than visionary. Instead of succumbing to frustration or fear, he saw an opportunity where others saw adversity. While the world was shifting toward electricity, Rockefeller pivoted toward gasoline-powered vehicles. His calm, strategic approach during challenging times not only preserved his wealth, but also positioned him as a pioneer in a new industry. This secret teaches us a crucial lesson. Emotions, often fickle and erratic, can be detrimental to sound financial decision-making. Rockefeller's unwavering composure reminds us that in the face of adversity, staying cool-headed, seeing challenges as opportunities, and embracing change can lead to lasting financial success. In today's fast-paced world, where market fluctuations and economic uncertainties abound, Rockefeller's mastery of emotional control serves as a timeless reminder to keep a steady hand on the financial helm. By doing so, you can navigate the choppy waters of the financial world and emerge stronger and more prosperous. Secret 3. Delayed gratification, from penny pincher to billionaire. The third jewel in John D. Rockefeller's treasure trove of wealth-building secrets is the power of delayed gratification. As a young entrepreneur, Rockefeller displayed a level of financial wisdom that would later propel him to billionaire status. Instead of squandering his earnings on fleeting pleasures like candies and toys, he adopted a frugal approach, saving every hard-earned penny. Rockefeller's journey to immense wealth began with small, deliberate steps. He wasn't content with just accumulating money. He understood the importance of making money work for him. This led him to lend his savings to others, charging a modest interest. The lesson here is crystal clear. In a world often obsessed with instant gratification, Rockefeller's early financial discipline highlights the profound benefits of forgoing immediate pleasures for the promise of greater long-term rewards. His story serves as a testament to the notion that every penny saved, every investment made, can lay the foundation for enduring financial success. In today's consumer-driven culture, where the temptation to spend impulsively is ever present, Rockefeller's journey from a penny pincher to a billionaire stands as an inspirational example. It reminds us that wealth is not built overnight. It's a result of patient, disciplined financial choices. Secret 4. Adaptability, thriving amidst change. John D. Rockefeller's fourth secret to building and preserving wealth was his exceptional adaptability. He possessed a remarkable talent for not just weathering change, but thriving amidst it. When the demand for kerosene dimmed with the advent of electric light, most would have seen it as a financial nightmare. Rockefeller, however, saw it as an opportunity to pivot. He shifted his focus to the burgeoning petrochemical industry, a move that would set the stage for even greater success. Rockefeller's ability to recognize the need for change and swiftly adapt to evolving circumstances was a defining trait that allowed him to stay at the forefront of the industry. The key takeaway here is that change is not a threat, but a catalyst for growth. Rockefeller's story reminds us that in an ever-evolving world, adaptability is a crucial asset for financial success. Embracing change, seizing new opportunities, and being open to innovation are essential components of wealth building. In today's rapidly changing business landscape, where industries are disrupted and technologies evolve at an unprecedented pace, Rockefeller's mastery of adaptability is a timeless lesson. It encourages us to view change not as an obstacle, but as a stepping stone to greater achievements. Secret 5: Team building, the Rockefeller approach. Behind John D. Rockefeller's monumental success was not just his individual brilliance, but an exceptional team. His approach to team building was meticulous and profound. Rockefeller had an innate ability to identify and attract talent that complemented his own skills. He didn't just hire, he curated a team of experts who shared his vision and values. One of his key collaborators was Henry Flagler, a close friend who played a pivotal role in Standard Oil's journey. Flagler's expertise in logistics and transportation streamlined the distribution of oil, ensuring the company's dominance in the market. But Rockefeller's approach to team building went beyond talent acquisition. He placed immense value on loyalty, creating an environment where his team felt personally invested in the company's mission. This fostered a sense of commitment that went beyond professional duties. Lastly, Rockefeller encouraged synergy within his team. He believed that the collaborative efforts of individuals with diverse skills and perspectives were the driving force behind success. The lesson here is clear. In the pursuit of financial excellence, assembling the right team is paramount. Rockefeller's success was not a solitary endeavor. It was a result of a collective effort fueled by shared vision and unwavering commitment. His approach to team building reminds us that behind every financial empire stands an exceptional team. Today, as we navigate the complex landscape of business and finance, Rockefeller's team-building philosophy serves as a timeless guide. Seek out those who share your vision, value loyalty, and promote collaboration. Together, you can overcome challenges and achieve financial triumph. John D. Rockefeller's wealth-building secrets are not merely historical anecdotes, but timeless principles that can shape your financial journey. Whether it's contrarian thinking, emotional control, delayed gratification, adaptability, or team building, each secret holds the potential to elevate your financial acumen. We hope these revelations inspire you to embark on your path to financial greatness. If you found this exploration of Rockefeller's secrets valuable, share it with others who are also striving to become true business champions. Stay tuned for more insightful content on The Business Champion. Until next time, keep mastering these secrets, and may your financial journey be filled with prosperity and success.